Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm working on a 2008 Toyota Camry. By the time you put on the ignition, you can see that the tachometer is bouncing and the speedometer does not fluctuate even when you drive, though I'm stable now. Here we have the ABS light is on, as well as the brake light is on, as the handbrake light is on. So we are going to diagnose what the problem is. What you can see here, the engine has 28 forecourt, the airbag 8, combination meter 1, tire pressure meter 1, occupant detection 1. There's no communication with the ABS, the BCM, the driver door control module. There's loss of communication with every other thing, all this other part. So let's see what we have first. So let's see what we have. Camshaft position sensor, transmission fluid temperature sensor, intermittent charge sensor, pressure sensor. We have some history here. Torque converter, takedown, SIP solenoid, master flow sensor. This is our history. Turn converter clock solenoid circuit high. Pressure control solenoid high. Intake manifold. Airbag. Lost communication with brake system control module. Tire pressure, occupant detection. Okay, let me check if the ABS was disconnected, because the meter lost communication with the brake system control module. As you can see, the ABS control module is intact. What I'll do, I will check if power and ground gets here. I will check the cam buttons. Now I've disconnected the ABS. Let me go and check if I can scan and get those components that I needed. I've started the car as well. Combination meter lost communication with brake control system. Then we have a whole lot of pending code and history code on the. So let's go back. There were some models that were not captured, so let's see if we can scan those models this time around. The main body, the driver motor, the sliding, air conditioner, parts no faults. So we'll do a rescan and see what we get. Now the engine is giving me 42 codes now. ABS no response. Main body parts no faults. So if you observe now, the scanning was faster compared to the way it was before. So the combination won't meet. So I don't expect a response, but the main body no faults.